I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your number from E to Giffgaff, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your E account is active and that you have no outstanding bills. You need to have your account number and the number you want to port. Step 2. Request your PSE code. Contact E to request your PSE porting authorization code. You can do this via text by sending PSE to 65075 or by calling their customer service. Make sure to note down the PSE code you receive. Step 3. Sign up for Giffgaff. If you haven't already, sign up for a Giffgaff account and order SIM card. Once you receive it, insert the SIM into your phone. Step 4. Start the porting process. Log into your Giffgaff account and navigate to the port or number section. Enter your PSE code and the number you wish to port. This process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. Step 5. Confirm the port. Once the porting is complete, you will receive a confirmation message from Giffgaff. Test your new SIM by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter issues, try restarting your phone. Switching your number can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new Giffgaff service.